ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj gifted us a beautiful message today regarding the a life of a hypocrisy. When we live in this world, we adopt lot of things that are all pervasive already there. Some people are programmed by that. Some people learn these tricks. Some people get all that kind of stuff from society, friends, and all kind of the environment. So hypocrisy, when we are something different from something different, so what we look like from outsider, we are not actually inside. We hide things inside the mind. A life that is a full of vanity, a life that is a full of pretend. When we do something else and we say something else, we are keeping something in the mind, something different. So this is the way we cannot create a very positive energy, productive energy, and progressive energy. This is the way a human fights with itself. A human cannot get full-fledged of the beauty, cannot get the full-fledgedness of the gracefulness, because he is fighting. He is actually fighting with his own self. So Guruji says that until you don't make this channel clean, until you don't make this channel clear, you will stuck there and your life will be stagnant and cannot be moved forward towards beautiful things. When we pretend the life of two-face, double-face life, and what we find in this world, it had a big captain against us. We do not cheat other people, actually we cheat ourselves. This Maya, this darkness actually cheats us in a different form. When we live in this impression that we will be here forever, when people, the roop meaning you are beautiful, your beauty, when people take their beauty for the grantedness, that they're going to be stay beautiful forever, and their property, their money, their status, their social symbol, they're going to be here forever. Raj Kaptang, Roop Kaptang, Tan Kaptang, Tan meaning their wealth, it will be there forever, but it's not true. Kul Garbte, the Kul Garbte meaning caste system, they are in a very high caste. So all that kind of egotism that actually cupts against us, that actually cheats us in a forum way, that Sanchit Bhikhya Chalang Chidrang. When we collect money, when we gathered money, when we gathered the wealth by the way that are not true, by hooked and crooked way, that is a chalang meaning hypocrisy, and that makes the chidrang. Symbolically, we're going to take this word chidrang meaning that it drains our energy, it do not let us get to the complete peace. It does not let us to go to the complete harmony with ourselves. And end of the day, Guru Arjan Dev Ji says that Nanak bin har sang na chalte. Nothing will go with you without Vaheguru's name. Nothing will go with you without Vaheguru's protection. So what to do? Pekhandado ki pull. All that things you see around yourself, that is a pekhandado ki pull. It is just mere a show off. You can show off, but if you understand that it will not go with me, tumma disma sohna, these things, these pleasures, this Maya looks beautiful, this Maya looks amazing, things looks amazing. When you deal with them, end of the day, this materialistic life never ends, and your body, your life get ends. Ad na lahaddo mull, Nanak saath na jo lai Maya. Without Vaheguru's name, without Simran, without your life chaste life. Without your life of excellence, nothing goes with you. Only Guru's word will go with you. Only Naam Simran will go with you. The mere message that we should find some time for ourselves to take Simran for a minute. Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. Ad na lhandੜੋ ਮੁੱਲ ਨਾਨਕ ਸਾਥ ਨਾ ਜੁਲੀ ਮਾਇਆ. So only ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਿਮਰਨ will go with us. ਬੇਅੰਤ ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਚੁੱਕਾਂ ਦੀ क्षमा. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ.